Are you recording already?
Yes.
No way. Let me move this one.
I
Oh yeah, you are.
pressed it.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Miguel. We have Sammy.
Sam, yes sir.
If you guys haven't seen previous videos, you guys know that Sammy bought a Honda Civic and it was running but now it died. So now we're going to be towing it to a tune shop to get it tuned. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Never miss any new content that we make on this car right here, on that car right there, and that car is going to the junkyard. But right now we're gonna push this to the front of the house so that way we can load it up on the trailer. And you may be wondering, do we know how to drive a truck and trailer? Nope. Have you ever loaded a car onto a trailer? No. Are we gonna learn? Yes. Alright, so we're gonna get this bitch on. Alright guys, gotta get warmed up. It's fucking 20 degrees out right now. Gotta get these legs, you know, fucking running and shit. Alright, ready? Damn, we're moving very slow. What's up? Ah, shit. I don't like it. The fuck? And that's not even lined up with the wheels. Look, the car's more this way. Alright, how do you strap this shit on? How fuck?
Oh, you're supposed to put it on the tire.
Yeah. Alright, so we figured out how to undo the straps. And now we're just going to push it back to line it up with the ramps and get it on. So let's try and do that. Alright. Are they aligned? Hell yeah! Alright.
Fuck yeah! Alright, let's push this shit. Can we push it back and then get it forced or what? What do you
Yeah.
want? How feel I'll be
Smart, smart. Good way.
dragging me back. Bro, you need some help?
Yeah, man.
Should we do it again?
But it's still heavy. Success. The guys helped us out. And
Wait, I zoomed in. How the fuck?
oh, you don't know how to zoom out?
This one?
Yeah, just put it this way or this way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, so we got some help from the guys. They helped us out loading in the car on. So, yeah, that one's good too. I'm just gonna double check Sam. Yeah. Alright.
I'll just tie that shit around.
We're strapped on. Ready to go. Car is on here. Now just put the ramps on and we're ready to go. That was pretty easy. Now let's get on the U-Haul and start heading to the tune shop. Alright, so correction is actually called RC tuning. And it's down here in Burbank. We're just 26 minutes away from it. Good thing Sammy found that tune shop because or else we wouldn't be getting this car tuned close by. We were gonna take it to like Schaumburg or something. That's like a whole hour away from us. So we're just gonna go down some streets, get there, drop it off, and come back. So let's get to it.
Up, make sure that bitch is tidy-whitey and fucking just drive. That's it. That's it.
I'm turning.
Turn left.
I'm turning left. I'm turning left. Alright, we gotta do some wide turns like we're a semi
You
truck.
trying to go to Starbucks, bro?
Yeah, with a car behind us.
Fuck yeah, bro. Shit. Get
Yeah, you see this car is gonna be K-swapped and turbo soon. Alright, Dusty and all y'all.
Alright, chill, bro. I ain't trying to get in the fucking ditch. Something goes wrong.
Hey, man, the old man's following us, bro.
I mean, bro, he probably thought you
Hey,
were...
bro, he's behind us, bro. He probably wants to sit.
He probably thought you were cute, dude.
Bro,
He was like, damn.
not
no,
even, bro.
yeah,
He probably, he's like, damn, that Honda Civic is probably fast,
His
man.
name probably Herbert, bro. He about to finesse you one day.
Thanks. This man's walking with a scooter. Just ride the damn scooter, dude.
Listen.
What's up? Some mommy, take me out to dinner sometime. You heard? Oh shit. Bing bong.
Bro, semi trucks allowed?
What? We're not semi.
Oh, no, we're not semi truck.
Oh look, it's Christmas.
It's cold.
Cold. Can't wait to live in a nice warm area. I have to deal with the cold weather. Alright guys, so we made it. We have the car still behind us, I believe. Yes, we do. And we just made it to the tune shop. As you can see, they have a whole bunch of cars.
Hondas for fucking days.
So we're going to see if I can back this bitch up.
You got it, baby. Don't worry about it. Or should we go talk to them first and then back that bitch up? Chinga su madre. Back that shit up, boy.
Oh, whoa. Fuck, I kinda fucked up. The car is at an angle, bro. Oh shit.
Come on, boy. Fucking.
No, I'm saying the car's at an angle.
Alright. You're backing up, straighten it out, bro. Come on, Miguel. No,
I'm trying. Okay? I don't know what I'm doing, man. Hold on, let me go this way.
Yeah. You're definitely probably gonna hit the ice.
Alright, so we made it to RC Tuning. They said they're gonna be able to take care of the car. So now we're just gonna unload it and park it next to that S2000 right over there. So yeah, it's done. Parkour! How the fuck did you? Parkour! Here, I'll put it.
I just gotta push it off.
Right. No e-brake, no nothing? Alright, ready?
She should be neutral and everything. So maybe she goes, go!
Holy shit! Alright, use your brake. Keep on going! Go! Ah, su puta madre, güey.
That's hard to come off.
Oh shit.
Well, at least it didn't.
At least we made it.
Yeah, we fucking made it.
Alright.
You gotta tell them to go. Push it off.
Okay. Yes! You know why we did it? Because the camera was on us.
Oh, you parked it. Oh.
Nah, just steer. God damn. You can help too.
He wants you to record.
Alright guys, so we already dropped it off at the tune shop. They're gonna be taking care of it with the whatever issue it has, because they have an issue where the coils were not getting any ignition, but it has a good alternator and has a good battery, so it has to do something with the wiring. So they're gonna be taking care of that, and they're also gonna be putting a bass tune on it so the car is drivable and everything. So that way Sammy has a car to drive. So we'll keep you guys updated. If you guys aren't following me on social media, here's my Instagram. Sammy's Instagram is gonna be somewhere up here too. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.